So the person puts away $20 in an account that gives interest 8.2% per annum, and the interest is given monthly, and the amount is put away for 3 years. So we have to find how much will the amount become after 3 years with all the interest and all. So basically the every month $20 is put away, and the interest is given in per annum. So we have to find the monthly interest, and that will be 8.2 divided by 12, which is 0.683%, which is the monthly. In terms of decimal, it is 0.00683. So 3 years, that means 36 months. So, and also it's important to notice that the person puts the money in the end of every month. So basically the last month, that is the 36th month, amount will not gather any interest. It will be just that amount, and there will be actually the first one will stay, since the first one is put at the end of first month. So it will generate interest for 35 months, not 36. So the first amount will be, let's call it A1, that will be there, that will gather interest for n, which is in this case n is 35. The second one A2 will be P1 plus R 34. The third one is A1 plus R 33, and so on. The final one, which is the 36th one, will be just P, no interest there. So now sorry, this is P, these are all P. So P is $20 and R is 0.00683. So I have not written it there. So basically the total amount will be summation of all these A1, A2 up to A36, and when we sum them up, it becomes P plus P1 plus R plus P1 plus R square plus P1 plus R cube up to P1 plus R to the power 35. Now this is a geometric series, and we can see the first term of this geometric series. A is P, which is 20. 1 plus R is of course 1.00683, that's there, and the R is, that is the capital R, let's call the capital R, which is the common ratio, that one is 1 plus R. So common ratio is 1 plus R, which is 1.00683, and n here in this case will be the number of terms. So this one, the power 1 plus R power is 0, and this one, the 1 plus R power, the power of 1 plus R is 1, and up to 35. So 0 to 35 is actually 36. So there are basically 36 terms. So when we want to find the sum expression is given by A R to the power n minus 1. This R is the common ratio. I have used capital R, or the uppercase R, not to so that we don't get confused with the interest R, which is the lowercase one. So here A is 20, R is 1.00683 to the power 36 there, because n is 36, and 1.00683 minus 1. So this is 20 times 40.6578, and the total amount becomes $813.158 approximately. So that is the total amount after 3 years.